Zero is issuing a challenge. Watching yet another one of his battles from a long, long distance away. I am in Florida, and he is in the loving land of Mexico. It started to rain! Must be in Mexico. Holy fuck, yo. Dialga, and who is that other guy? What the fuck is that thing? I can't fucking tell what it is because it's got like a completely Asian name. And as you know, I do not read Asian. Hurrah! Used Blizzard. Okay, he has an ice move. What the fuck is that thing? Ah, fuck, Darkrai, oh my god. Oh, hell yeah, man, I love that Draco Meteor. No! Damn it. Are you sleeping? He's not sleeping? Yes, he is, he's sleeping. Oh no! Little dead dragon! Oh. He went so peacefully into that good night. And Politoed is tormented. This is really fucked up shit. Yes, I love superpower. Oh, nice! Smack that ass, smack that ass. Bitch! I fucking hate that guy, dude. What is that fucking thing? I feel so pokey stupid. Baby, after I'm done watching this, you gotta tell me what the fuck that was. And another Asian dragon thing that I'm supposed to know. It's Palkia? Jesus Christ, Asian. The opposing Asian fainted. Special Ren. Whoa! Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god. Don't die! Okay. Phew. Use an arch! And no. I think that's the fucking water dragon, isn't it? The water guy? The one that I wanted? Not? No. No, it isn't. Wait, what? God damn it, I'm so bad at the fucking dragon legendaries.